Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel Cash Fix. Just swapping, replacing airflow mass sensor for 2015 Ford Explorers. Let's go ahead and get started. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. There's a clip, remove this connector, pull this lock towards you, the red knob, pull it and press it and pull towards the whole connector. So here's the lock and this is the clip, you need to press it down. And there's two T20 screw. Take them out. Make sure don't lose the screws. They are so tiny. There's one. Secure it. There's another one at the bottom. There you go. There's another one, and this will come right up like this. This is the mass airflow sensor for 15 Explorer. So just do the reverse. Put these two screws back and plug it back the mass airflow sensor connector, and that's it. This is how we replace MAF sensor or mass airflow sensor on the Explorers. Thanks for liking and subscribing my channel. I'll be right back with my new video. Thank you.